Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a JSON file in Python is a common task, and ensuring that the file exists before attempting to write to it is a good practice. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a JSON file if it doesn't exist using Python, along with a code example. The OS module is used to interact with the operating system, and the JSON module is used for encoding and decoding JSON data. Specify the file path and name for your JSON file. You can choose any valid path on your system. Use the os.path.exists function to check if the specified file already exists. If the file doesn't exist, create it using the open function with the mode set to write, W. After that, you can close the file immediately. Now, you can write your JSON data to the file. In this example, I'll create a simple dictionary and write it to the file. Putting it all together. This example covers the basic steps to check if a JSON file exists and create it if necessary, then write data to the file. Adjust the file path, name, and data according to your specific use case. ChatGPT.